OCUL down to the 3%. This is Tuesday, the 17th of February 2026. The company disclosed the outcomes with regard to Apaxley's treatment for AMD, that is age-related macular degeneration, but it didn't meet the anticipation or the expectation of investors with regard to durability advantage over the active control, potentially raising questions about its commercial outlook in wet age-related macular degeneration, a market with established efficacy therapies. Yeah, the stock has now given up the gains that ran up in the on Friday the 13th. Yeah. So far, what do we have? 21 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is usually around 5 million shares. Yeah, under that, the stock is showing this weakness is within a longer term neutral to bullish trend. Okay, yeah, neutral to bullish trend. Yes. Okay. Lower prices are expected to continue to play out up till Friday the 20th, and after that, there's a chance it might attempt to bounce, but the expectation is that he may not cross its 200, I mean 40-day moving average. After that, yeah, it might begin to even print lower prices. So unfortunately, it hasn't turned out positive. Yeah, I think, did I even say it? I said I don't think in Friday, on Friday, it didn't. Well, let's see what happened on Friday, on the 13th. It was, yeah, it didn't actually gain anything. Yeah, well, in the post market session, it was gaining something. Yeah, it showed some strength. Yeah, but has given up everything now. Did they print here? Let's see. Did it print any strength here? Let's see. Let's have a look. Not that it's important. Let's see. 5 minute chart. It might show us something. This happened. Yeah, it showed some strength. Yeah, in yeah, in the post market session. Yeah. This is what we're talking about. This is today. Yeah, it showed some strength. So it reached the highs of 12.12. It's now it has given up almost 50% of what it ran up in this post market session. In the pre market session of today. Yeah, so it did. It has given up some of the strength it printed. Yeah. So yeah, the stock is expected to trade below its 40-day moving average in the coming days. Yeah. Projections here are saying 2.55, 407, 6.55. But as a matter of fact, the company is not, it didn't meet the expectations of investors, but it's not that terminal as such. Let's see. Ocular's eye drug superior to Regeneron's Eylea in late stage trial. Okay, so what am I talking about? Its experimental eye disease drug was more effective in helping patients maintain their vision compared to Regeneron's approved treatment Eylea in a late stage trial. Okay, there are other expectations, it seems. The trial enrolled 344 patients. Needham analyst Sergey Belanga said that retinal specialists might appreciate today's data, but investors could be disappointed. Okay, yeah, by the much narrower difference between the drugs and the higher incidence of vitreous floaters and cataracts. The drug also demonstrated better fluid control in the eye, a key measure of disease management. The company said many patients on Apaxley did not need additional rescue injections for almost a year, suggesting the treatment may reduce the number of clinic visits required. So it's a mix of things. It's a mix of things. Better than Regeneron's Eylea. However, investors are disappointed by the narrower difference between the drugs and the higher incidence of vitreous floaters and cataracts. Okay, so it's not well, not completely bad. But had the market has reacted, and this is what they have written. Yeah, this is what they have written. Let's see the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, let's see what is possible in terms of prices. Lower prices are up to 3.39. We actually saw $2 and some fraction on the daily chart, but not market grid price. It was a Fibonacci projection. So the extrapolation here is saying that this weakness may remain in place up till tomorrow the 18th. After that, there's a chance we might see a bounce. Okay, so the stock is now at 6.52, just in between the resistance and the supports. Let's see. Doesn't look like it has a lot of support around where it is right now, 5.95. This is not exactly a cluster. 5.95 and 5.06, not exactly the best of clusters. 4.18 and 3.39 also not the best of clusters as such. If it gets a rebound, if it gets a bounce, 7.53 is something they can breach. But yeah, okay, there's 7.53, there's 8.17, 8.84. Yeah, there might be some resistance ahead, but not exactly a strong support below. So, though price is still very much possible, but at the same time, let's see how people are going to react. It's a mix of things. Mix of things. Investors, they didn't get what they expected, even though it is better than. But in some cases, in some sense, it's better than what Regeneron has. So let's see how all of this will turn out. And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.